Create an account in Google Analytics. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I explain what Google Analytics is and how to create your account quickly. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. And what is Google Analytics? Guys, Google Analytics is a free tool offered by Google for website and app owners. It works by collecting data about how people visit and interact with your website or app. Then this data is organized into reports that you can use to understand your audience better and improve the performance of your website or app. So let's learn how to create an account here in Google Analytics. It's a pretty easy process, guys. Here in the Google search bar, you can type in Google Analytics. It already appeared for me. I'm going to click here on Google Analytics. I'm going to put it here in my Gmail account and click down here on Next. It's here in English. If I wanted to translate it into another language, I'd come up here. I would click on Translate and you would choose your language. I'm going to choose here Portuguese. And click here, guys. It gives the good lines to Google Analytics. I'm going to click Start Measuring. So I'm going to create my account. Here the account name, you will put your account name. Here you can enable or disable account data sharing settings. So you can take a look here, guys, so you can see what you're going to enable or disable. Usually here I leave the last three enabled. Then I click here on Next. Here is the name of the property which he will ask for. Also the country, the time zone, the currency. Then you're going to click here on Next. Here you will choose the details of your company. So I'm going to select here the type of your company. How many employees does your company have? Then I'm going to click Next. And here you'll choose the purpose of your business. If you want to generate leads, then you can click here to analyze visitor metrics. If you want to boost sales, then you'll put here according to your business. Then you're going to click down here to create. Here are Google's terms of service. If you agree, just select this checkbox and click I accept. Once you've accepted the terms, it asks you how you want to collect your data. You can collect data from your network, your website, your Android or iOS app. In my case, I'm going to choose my website. I'll choose here network. I'm going to put my website here. I can put in the name of the flow. Here you can put whatever name you want. And then I'm going to click here on Create Flow. So it's going to be measuring here the page views, scrolls, the exit clicks, video engagement, download file, or here form interaction. Once I set up the site, it asks to install my code, the code that was generated on the site. So it asks you to choose a platform to put this code on, or you can manually install the code here. Then you're going to select the code here and put it on your page to start collecting data. So in the next video, our team will show you how to put this code on your page. So far you've managed to create your account. If you have any questions, guys, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm going to wrap up here. Big hug. Stay blessed. Thanks, guys.